To be convinced of the existence of something or someone to supersize and grow your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, and our confidence-related idiom for today is to be convinced of the existence of something. Now, I thought this was, I've definitely heard of this before. This use of this phrase has been around since the 1520s. And of course, the concept appears in the Bible, so it's a very, very old idiom and thought and belief. And it talks to our thoughts and our beliefs and what we believe actually exists or could exist in the world. And whether that's a person, place, or thing, it's up to us to decide how we feel about it, what we think about it, do we believe it's true or not. And that got me to thinking about, what do I have to believe in order to supersize and grow my business? Number one, I have to believe that I can do it, that it's possible for me, that it's possible for us to create something in the world that is the business that we envision, that we visualize and think that we want to create. It also got me thinking about who influences us, who convinces us, who persuades us, where do our beliefs come from, and are those beliefs helping us to create what we want in the world, or are they hindering us? And how do we decide, of all the experiences we have, which ones we're going to build upon and which ones we're going to let go of? So I was thinking about experiences today. I was thinking about beliefs of my peer group, beliefs of my family and friends and other important relationships, social media, the media, famous people that I admire or look up to, because just like every other human being, there are people that inspire me, maybe some that are dead and some that are alive, as well as people that inspire you. So what idioms mean, that's why I talk about idioms every day, is I want to challenge myself to think about the things that I'm influenced by, what they mean to me. Because the most important thing about anything, any word, any belief is, does it inspire me and move me toward what I want to create in the world, or does it keep me stuck or hold me back or prevent me from creating what I want to create in the world? Because it got me to thinking about Santa Claus. Do people believe in Santa Claus or not? Most of us have never seen Santa Claus, so do we choose to believe in that concept or not? And Santa Claus is maybe more of a concept to some of us than it is an actual person or being. Same thing with aliens or God or religion or universal laws. What we choose to believe in impacts us in many, many ways. So I got to thinking about, well, I've never seen, I've made a lot of money in my lifetime and in my career for myself and other people, but I've never actually seen $1 million of cash in person. Seen it on TV, seen it in movies, seen it in pictures, had it move through my bank accounts, but never actually seen personally $1 million of cash. That would be kind of cool. I guess I'd like to go to a bank vault someday. I've also never seen 1 billion people, but I believe that 1 billion people exist, more than 1 billion people in the world. I believe that millions and millions of dollars actually physically exist in the world, not just made up on our computer screens these days. I'm not sure I've ever seen an honest politician. And things like that, the Easter Bunny, whatever it is that we're thinking about. And some of those things just don't matter for our business, but our beliefs do matter. What we choose to believe and how we choose to show up in the world definitely matters in terms of whether we're going to grow and build and supersize our business or not. So I challenge you today to think about, what do I have to believe? What do you have to believe in order to grow and build and supersize your business? If you're brave, share something in the comments below. Otherwise, I will be with you tomorrow with another confidence-related idiom for the month of August. Have a great day.